Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Kraken in Adopt Me. To acquire this legendary ocean pet, your primary method is through hatching ocean eggs. These special eggs were once available in the game's shop, but they have since been replaced. Don't worry, there are still ways to find them and try for your very own Kraken. We'll cover those methods next. Since ocean eggs are no longer sold directly, trading with other players is your best bet. Many players who collected these eggs when they were available might be willing to trade them for other desirable pets or items. Engage with the Adopt Me community on various platforms. You'll often find dedicated trading groups where you can post your offers and seek out ocean eggs. When trading, always aim for fair exchanges. Researching the current value of pets and items will help you make appealing offers for ocean eggs. Remember that legendary pets like the Kraken are highly sought after, so be prepared to offer something valuable in return. Patience is key in trading. Don't rush into unfavorable deals. To maximize your chances of getting a Kraken, try to acquire and hatch several ocean eggs. Each egg offers a fresh opportunity for this legendary pet. You might also consider using a hatching potion to speed up the process, allowing you to hatch eggs more quickly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Happy hatching, and good luck getting your Kraken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.